my white fondant, I'm going to go ahead with the polka dot theme. You could do little flowers if you want. It's for a little girl. You could do whatever you want, actually. But I like polka dots. So just take my white, cut out a whole bunch of dots. And I start with the main part of the diaper. Just pop a little bit of water on there. And then we can go down here. You just want to kind of keep them, you know, don't put them too close together. You don't want too many. But so we'll keep going here. We're going to skip this part because that would be the opening where the legs would come out. So I've got one more circle up here. And then if you notice here, I've got a half circle and I have the other half right here. So obviously I just cut it in half. And I'm going to use this one right over here where it just wasn't enough space for a whole one. And voila! So I'm not going to put, again, I'm not putting the dots here because that's where the legs would be. And then this is the top of the diaper, so I'm not putting dots there. Now notice this is where my nail went into it. I had covered part of it with this. And I just popped another dot there, so you can't see that at all. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to do the little pins. So we can either do those in white or pink. I'm going to do white so they show up a little bit better. And for the bottom part of the pin, all I'm going to do is just take some white fondant and roll it. So I'm rolling it first into a circle. That's a pretty bad circle. Into a ball. Okay, and then I want to just elongate the ball a little bit, and then like so, and then flatten it. And this is how you get the shape. Now this is probably too much fondant. Let me just kind of see here. Yeah, it's too big. So take a little bit off and do the same thing again. Okay, so ball, and kind of make it more of an oval. And flatten it down a bit. Just kind of play with it a little bit. And then cut this in half. And then use your circle cutter, the smallest one that you have. If you don't have small circle cutters, you can use the end of a decorator tip, like a tip 12 or a tip 10. And just cut out a circle in the center. There's one. See how it'd be part of the safety pin there? There's the other one here. Okay, and then if I just kind of misshapen it a bit, just go ahead and reshape it like so. And this is going to be my bottom part. So I'm going to have these two down here. And I'm not going to attach them with water yet until I know exactly where I want those.